Okay, so it's pretty much cleaned up. I shot it with some brake clean after I wire wheeled everything, and it's pretty much clean. I'm still going to hit it with brake clean again, or maybe some denatured alcohol, wipe it down to get all the residue off before I put the paste wax on. But there's other stuff I have to do, like I may take these jaws off. I may do that, so I'll knock these pins out. But I did find something. I'll show you. So if you look at the back of the slide, so it looks like a 7 in the left corner, and then on the right there's a 94. So we're gonna try to confirm what that is, if that's 1894 or if that's just something entirely different. I don't know. So, but anyway, pretty much everything's cleaned up. And all the nooks and crannies, I got most of that old grease and oil that had dried up. So maybe now I'll start taking maybe the flap disc, start hitting some of these BBs that are on here where somebody did a lot of welding, so the welds spatter. So anyway, I'll do that off camera.